Welcome. Good day to everyone. I'm happy to give the closing remarks. Hope you, the participants, have enjoyed the lectures delivered by the keynote speakers on the poster session. In my opinion, science has no limits. COVID-19 cannot stop our thinking and sharing our scientific ideas. Science has no caste or religion or black or white or brown. Science or research requires enthusiasm and interest. After my postdoctoral position, I got a job in a company. I stayed there only a week. As soon as I received an academic job, I quit the company job and joined in the academic position, even though the salary money was less in academic position. Being a teacher was my interest at that time. Still it is. My interest was also in research. When I was in the high school or college, my friends used to ask, you are working hard, getting better marks in the class. What do you want to do in life? I used to say, I want to be a scientist. If you want to be a scientist or anything, you need not be from a rich family or highly educated family. It's all interest and dedication. I am from a village. My father was a farmer and also a president of that village. I was the only person who went to college in that village and also from my family. I was able to succeed because of my interest and enthusiasm in studies. Whenever I hire anyone to my group, the first question I ask, what's your interest? Why you want to join my group? Yes, of course, money is one of the items in want to find a job. At the same time, you should have interest and enthusiasm in what you do. That will give you mental happiness and will lead to peace of mind in life, and also you will be successful in the work. It does not matter what work you do, you have to show interest. This reminds me of my undergraduate teacher. I still remember that incident. One of my classmates does not have any interest in education. Whatever way you explain to him, he cannot get it, particularly in the physics lab. The teacher asked him, why are you coming to college? He said, to get a degree and a job to make more money. Then the teacher said, do not take me wrong. You have to show interest to learn. If you are interested to make money, you should go and run a grocery shop or any business. So all art depends on the interest and your interest. I started my research in cancer during 2011. I read an article about tryptophan on cancer. The tryptophan level decreases with the cancer progression. There was no imaging technique was used to image the tryptophan because tryptophan is an amino acid. But the autofluorescence from tryptophan is about UV, 300 to 400 nanometer. I thought it would be a challenging work to design a system to investigate the cancer on tryptophan. Within 2 years, we published a paper on this topic. Since then, we have developed and improved many techniques applying the label-free endogenous molecules such as NADH, FAD, and tryptophan. Any disease is associated with the mitochondrial function, which is the energy supplier to the cells. We continue to work on prostate cancer, leukemia cancer, Alzheimer's disease. Recently, we received 5 years funding to apply the developed techniques with the patient samples, the 5 years grant is mainly focused on to investigate mitochondrial dysfunction in Alzheimer's disease. Hope you, the participants, learned a lot about cancer in this international conference in basic and translational cancer research. I hope this is useful to you instead of watching TV or playing digital game or talking to your favorite people, including Alexa. You know what I mean by Alexa. Again, thanks for Professor Hemalata asking me to be part of this conference. And also thanks to B.S. Abdul Rahman Crescent Institute of Science and Technology. I like that campus. Professor Hemalata did a fantastic job in organizing this conference. Give a big hand to her. I really thank her for inviting me. Stay safe. Thank you.